Welcome back to another. Oh God, I'm filming a video. You guys, look at me. If I can make sense that you can. I want to come down from this thing. No, not that way. This way. This stupid thing. Do it again. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nekky Anolue. If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure to subscribe and also turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a new video. You guys, please, I'm using God to beg. You've been watching my videos and have not subscribed. Please subscribe today. Thank you. So today I don't have a number of things I'm doing, but one of the things I'm doing is actually interesting. That's why I want to vlog. But anyways, today I have to pick up something I ordered from the park. I ordered slippers from a brand on Instagram. This is my first time buying something from them because I was looking for a brand I can buy handmade slippers from since I can't find my size. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up the slippers today. I'm also going to be going kayaking. I'm also going to be going waves. I'm going kayaking today with Bay. I feel like that's the only thing that will make me go because I know he'll be there, but still, you guys, I'm scared. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to do my makeup. So let me just drop this phone. Okay, so you guys, this one was really reflecting on my face, but I think it's better now. Anyway, so today I'm going to be going kayaking for the first time. If you know me, you know anything that has to do with water. Me and water, we're not friends. I can't swim, nothing. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared, but we'll see. You guys will see too. I got my hair done yesterday. I'm actually starting to like this style, but this is just all back. Anyway, I've done it once. This is the second time I'm going to be doing this hairstyle now, and I think it might just be. I think this might just be the hairstyle for me, you know. Anyway, so today's video is going to be like just a day in the life vlog. So what I have planned for today is to film a video this morning. I'm going to do my makeup and film a video this morning. After that, I'll just eat, go and see Bay, and from there we are going to go and pick up my slippers. Hopefully I like it. I don't know how I feel about going to see it because you guys, I don't be disappointed, but fingers crossed I like it. And then from there we'll go kayaking. I don't think we're doing any other thing today. If we are, you guys will see. So yeah, you guys, that's it. I'm trying to lay my edges right now, and after that I would do my makeup. I feel like you guys have seen me do my makeup 1 million times, so I might not add the clip, or I might just add a few clips of that. So basically, you guys will see me again talking when I'm done with my makeup.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on.
You guys, this is the finished look. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nekky Anolue. Welcome. Please make sure you subscribe and also turn on your post notifications so you know when I post. God. God, if one more person stops this video, I might just pack up. I'm so tired. God! I am Bami. I don't like this. Nobody in this house wants to frustrate me today. So you guys, today I'm going to be giving you 10. Oh God! Who is that? Mommy, I'm filming. I'm filming a video. Oh my God, today's video is not even going as planned. One lie.
2,000 years later.
So hey guys, I just finished filming the video. Let me tell you guys, frustration wanted to kill me when I was filming that video. I felt like today everybody was just coming to knock, but there was some sort of noise. Like I started filming the video by like 11 or a few minutes past 11, and I finished by 12 o'clock for a video that is not going to be up to 10 minutes long, or the video might just be 10 minutes long. Look at the amount of time I wasted. I'm so fed up, like I'm so annoyed. And I feel like I was not my bubbly self, because at the beginning I was, but like the whole interruptions, you guys, it was frustrating. Like, God, I really hope the video comes out well, because you guys, I was tired, like I was so close to crying. I'm so frustrated as I'm talking right now, because it just took so much time, it just took so much from me today. Like, I'm so over it. But anyway, I'll try to be happy, because yeah, today was supposed to be a happy day. So yeah, bye. I don't miss the fact that I'm looking at you. Looking at me if I'm vlogging.
What are you waiting for?
Huh?
We're still waiting for them.
I was waiting for her. Thank you.
Huh?
I'm not a clown. I'll give him his 100. Let's go.
I don't give up.
Oh.
This one is not for me, clearly. I bet this one should do doorstep delivery next time, or I'll send this rider to pick it. This can't see me this.
Hey, well, around they cut your head since.
SMH.
You don't have to say hi to your guys. Come on, dry ass hi, is that?
Hi, I'm tired.
That person says you wear shorts and sneakers. Something uncomfortable.
I get shorts and sneakers. I'm comfortable in what I'm wearing. The videos I watched, they were even wearing anything they like. Some of those were wearing gowns, but I don't want to wear gowns. And got open bum. The slippers. Okay, that's alright. Oh, I think I like this brown. How much is this type of brown? So this is 2 of them. It's handmade. And it was 354. It was actually so cheap. Yeah. Hell! No.
No matter what gets in the way of your dreams, Abuja, everywhere.
Park your car and then trek.
Let's see where you go. You went there.
Remove this thing that you're using like earring, please. You guys, we have gotten missing. Destination is on the right. That means that parking area.
No, we have just entered from there.
Could we have?
So we have gotten to the stadium place, but we don't know our left from our right.
Okay, see, I'm not the river this. Then motor park. Okay, where this motor park. You go see road where they do go down. And then where you start to follow.
So who are going to meet now? Then? Okay, thank you.
Let's go.
Hey! This bitch!
So you guys, we've gotten to the place. Actually, we've not gotten there. We're on our way. Remove your mask now.
Why? There's corona.
Nobody is here.
It's in the air.
Anyway, there's a guy that is showing us the road to the place. So, let's see. Why didn't I remove your mask?
You said I should remove the mask.
Thank you.
Then you're welcome. Look, I'm actually scared.
Don't be scared.
It's like I'll stand outside though. Don't do that. Don't pollute the earth.
Okay, earth. Okay, it's the air and us at the same time. It's okay, it's not me.
If the picture is not fine, remove that face mask. You'll spoil them now. What does this say? Welcome to what? Kaspala. Oh, Kasplan. Kasplant. We are almost there. I was going to turn the other way, I swear. I don't even know where I was going to turn to.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Go to Kayaking, sir.
Yes.
Okay. You be here? $2,000 per person. Oh wow.
Please, you have POS
thank
here?
No.
I mean transfer.
Yeah.
Okay. You've done.
Huh? Two rounds, sis?
What did you say?
I said 2 rounds, sis?
What?
Which is, you go, I'm vlogging.
Why?
I'm
Go,
vlogging
go,
you guys entering. Why is he entering the big one? Why? Can 2 people enter one?
Huh?
Can 2 people enter one?
2, no.
Hey. But what? Can somebody fall inside here?
The person decides to do so.
Okay, the person decides.
If you decide to fall inside the water, let's go.
Huh? My turn.
You will know. I like that.
Wait now.
Have you looked at everything?
I don't know how to do it.
Pussy ass niggas. Look at them. Meow. There she goes.
Number Chinekwu account. Number Chinekwu to go on Papa.
Like a wuss.
Why are you beating people now?
No, I'm actually done. I want to go back. And this one is such a professional. She doesn't want to do it. Is that what she said? I swear me, I don't want to do it again. That place is 6 feet. This is 5 feet. Do you know we are going deeper? Do you know I could feel it? And he was telling me that I was not going deeper. I could feel it. By the way, you guys, look at me. If I can be inside this water, you can. But my legs are hurting.
Yeah,
it's actually very painful. How will I turn and vlog now?
You can't turn and vlog now.
I have to drop it. How will I turn? You guys, look at me. If I can be inside this water, you can. Stop now, don't leave me. You guys, I swear I'm not turning. I want to come down from look at me. If I can be inside this water, you can. My one is not turning. I'm going forward. I don't want to go. I want to turn back. This guy is not answering me. I want to turn back. You guys, I actually don't want to go again because it's getting deeper. Why will you push me now? I said I don't want to go forward. You're still pushing me forward. It's just like a crocodile. I know this thing. No, not that way. This way. This stupid thing. Why are you jamming me?
You want jamming? Stop pouring water on my leg.
Don't choke the paddle inside too much.
You're choking the paddle, just.
It wasn't turning me when I was scooping it. Bitch, let's go forward. I'll be talking to my own. You guys, whatever was good. This is not funny.
Come this way.
I'm coming.
Yes, both sides. You're giving too much space. Like when you put the first paddle, immediately you put the other one. Now you're just going to go straight. Oh yeah, turn again. I see Obio. Doing like Port Harcourt cab guy. Cruising fast.
What does that even mean?
The way you're cruising fast.
Like
Someone even looking at us.
You guys, I made it. But I'm so scared. Give me.
Oh my god. I'm moving.
So you guys, I made it to the end. Look at the end of the place. Wait, let me hold your face. I can't. You're fast. Anyway, yeah. You guys, I'm scared. And this guy said there's a crocodile here, but I don't believe him. Don't jam me. You guys, I'm actually scared. There's a long way back. And I'm tired.
Hi. First time on the channel. Is it?
Yes.
Whatever.
You shift now. You don't want shift. How I go pass? How I shift? I'll push you away. You can't do water. I won't know whenever I expire. Don't tire. My leg, they pain me.
You guys are coming out, ba?
Yeah. So you guys, we are done with the kayaking. What's the name of this thing?
Archery.
Okay. We are not doing because I don't have energy to be shooting this thing for 1 hour. Now, wow, this guy, what's going on? Man, don't they pay me self? I don't tire for your failure. He actually hit it once, but let's see you do it again. Oh, man, wow. Finally.
I mean, fucking bullseye again.
Oh yeah. Are you ready? Woo! Oh shit! I got that.
Fucking bullseye, bitches.
Yes. I'm waiting for you to get it though.
Woo! Come on!
I'm ready to go. The ice cream guy is not coming. Okay, it's fine.
That's easy.
Not easy.
So guys, we are done.
How can it has to be like 100k in Abuja?
I wasn't videoing a specific area. Okay, that is okay.
Drink water, more than anything.
Wait, I need to drink water. Let's go to the pastry place. Sorry.
Or, oh my god, that star right there is so nice.
Which one?
The red one. Why are you talking about?
I don't know.
Okay.
What? 1,000 for what?
Oh, this one is 460. Here,